How to customize ChatGPT. This is what you're gonna do, guys. Once you open up ChatGPT, come here at the top right, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that, then scroll down. The second option right here says customize ChatGPT. Click on this, and now you'll see here you can customize ChatGPT. So the first thing is what your ChatGPT call you. So you told ChatGPT, call me boss. And what do? I am the boss. That's what I do, my occupation, and what traits should ChatGPT have? So I told ChatGPT that I want it to be more talkative and more conversational. You want to use in an encouraging tone, but you still want to tell me like it is. Don't sugarcoat anything. You can of course come here, add different things. You can add witty, where appropriate, they'll add humor, and then anything else ChatGPT should know about you. I told it that I am a finance student. I live in the United States and I'm 24 years old. So go ahead and save that. And if you want, you can go ahead and toggle these ones on or off depending on your needs. So just come here and save this. Now these are enabled for new chats. So if I open up a new chat and ask ChatGPT, what should you be calling me? Or who am I? And let's see what ChatGPT tells me. Let's see. What does ChatGPT refer to me as? Boss. And there you have it, guys.